Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning, and right now you're taking a live look at some very clear skies in Wairika. This view coming courtesy of the Rain Rock Casino. It's already very mild across much of the News Watch 12 viewing area, already up to 63 degrees in Wairika. You can see some of the cooler air is being dammed up to the east of the Cascades this morning as we're in the 40s, 50s, and 60s, but pretty consistently seeing some 50s and 60s for the west side valleys and a little bit cooler along the coast in Curry County. On to day number 3 now of the Jackson County Fair, and this is when it's going to start to feel very unpleasant outside. I would have personally gone to either day number 1 or day number 2, but here it is, day number 3, folks. We'll easily get up into, well, the upper 90s at the very least, but we can make a legitimate run at 100 degrees for our west side valleys today. High temperatures will end up being about 10 degrees above average for this time of the year, which means we'll be in the mid 90s to the east of the Cascades, triple digits for our west side valleys, and then low 70s along the coast in Curry County due to the marine layer, but we should have a decent amount of sunshine a little bit later today. Winds will gust out of the north and west today, upwards of 20 to 25 miles per hour along the coast for inland valleys and for areas to the east of the Cascades. So the best advice I have for today is, well, number 1, stay inside, or number 2, if you're going to be outside, just be sure you are drinking plenty of water and that you are applying plenty of sunscreen. The sun goes down this evening, the winds will calm down, skies will continue to be clear inland, and then along the coast we could maybe have another bout of some marine layer fog. Overnight lows will be very mild, just about as mild as what we're seeing for this morning, with mid 50s to the east of the Cascades, 60s for our west side valleys, middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. And we'll keep it there for this weekend, where we'll have high temperatures in the low 70s, which is warm for the coast standards, but much cooler compared to what we'll have for inland spots. You can see our heat wave is going to peak on Saturday as we'll be in the middle triple digits for the Rogue Valley. Pretty close to triple digits on Sunday. Brief little cool down for Monday, and then temperatures rebounding into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It'll be the Klamath River Valley where we could see some of the hottest temperatures throughout this next few days. And I think, again, the hottest temperatures will end up happening on Saturdays. We could be upwards of 115 degrees for the Klamath River Valley, 110 degrees for the Shasta Valley, and 105 degrees for the Rogue Valley. And this combination of hot and dry weather will make our fire weather critical for Saturday through Tuesday, but we're keeping an especially close eye on Sunday and Monday because that's when we'll have the worst combination of hot, dry, and windy conditions. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see high temperatures getting into the 70s over the weekend. We talked about how that'll serve as an excellent refuge from some of the very hot temperatures we'll have for Siskiyou County. Over the next 7 days, we're expecting at least 5 of them to surpass 100 degrees. For the Klamath Basin, we could even make a run for triple digits for Klamath and Lake counties on Saturday, probably a harder shot of that for Sunday. And then for the Cascades and Siskiyous, we'll see lots of melting snow over the weekend, so it'll be interesting to see how the reservoir levels respond. And then for the Rogue Valley, scorching heat over the next 3 days, and then a little bit cooler into Monday.